Today you will learn how to fill a character with text in Adobe Illustrator. Start by creating a new document. Grab the type tool and type the desired letter. I am typing letter E. Resize the text as needed. Change the font style to your desired one. I am selecting a bold text so that it looks good and attractive. Now go to Object and select Expand. From the Expand panel, click OK. Again go to Object, Compound Path and select Release. Grab the type tool, take the cursor to the end of the character as it will show path written with cursor as you can see here. Click on the path and the default text will be filled in the character. You can type any of the desired text in the character. Now increase the font size and align the paragraph to justify. Select any fill color for the text. And here is the final result. You can add text in other characters using the same method. So I hope you have learned how to fill text in any character in Adobe Illustrator. If you have any question related to this tutorial, you can comment below. I will definitely try to answer your all questions. Also tell me in the comments below which Adobe Illustrator tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching.